Hello, this is my follow-up 1 week video on comparison of those three products: Turtle Wax, 3M Aerospace Protectant, and Back to Black. As you can see, this was the area where I had a Turtle Wax. After a week, you can visibly see that it's starting to wear out, and then this is the area where I applied 3M, and right at the front, Back to Black. Those two products are almost identical after a week. This is the second area where I applied those products. This is Turtle Wax, 3M, Back to Black. I think Back to Black looks the most shiny from here. 3M, well, it's never shiny, but it still looks pretty good. And Turtle Wax really doesn't look that bad either. And on my driver's side, I had only 3M and Back to Black applied, so the front was 3M. Looks pretty good. I'm starting to see some kind of a water streaks, and in the back was Back to Black. Looks almost identical to 3M. Well, it's still the first week, maybe a little bit too early to tell. We'll see how it looks on the second week and the third and the month. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll post next video next week. Thanks, bye bye.